Hello, Raman. Thank you for joining me today. What are the key product categories that SI Abloy deals in, and what is the depth of each of these categories? And what are your main brands?
We have very elaborate range of access control products, architectural hardware, which encompasses the door hardware, glass hardware, and also automatics and a wide range of smart residential products. In fact, when it comes to the depth of the product range and the SKUs, we would have a solution for every customer need, whether it is commercial, in a large commercial project, to a small shop, or is it residential from premium to luxury and also affordable housing segment? In terms of brands, we have two commercial brands, a Sabloy, an overall for the overall range of products, and also Inox, which caters to specific commercial segments for the glass hardware products. And for the residential, we have Yale and also Valencia, which we acquired from SMI for the mid and lower end residential.
Where are these products manufactured or sourced? And how resilient is the supply chain, particularly in these times of disruption?
We are very lucky in this regard because we have manufacturing plants located all over the world. We have included in India. It's a big advantage for us. We have plants in China. We manufacture STL products in Vietnam and Korea. We have factories located in Europe, Americas. We have a unique position that our supply chains are quite resilient, catering to local markets. And also we are, I would say, more resilient against disruptions than probably any of other manufacturers of similar products in the industry. We acquired the door hardware facility, SMI, in 2017, and we have the ambition to build it up as a dedicated manufacturing unit to cater to the needs of the South Asian market, including Bangladesh and Sri Lanka.
How have you positioned your brands in terms of market segment? What is the value proposition?
The market segments are broadly classified into commercial and residential. As Sabloy is our main commercial brand. The residential, we have Yale brand. And then when you look at each of these categories, we have products and solutions catering to all the segments of the of a particular, if say commercial, we have products for the large commercial projects also, and we have products for mid and lower segments also. Similarly, in the residential segment, we have products which are suitable for the premium and the mid-tier segment as well. And we have the products which are also suitable for the lower end affordable housing segment as well. From a perspective of segmentation, the broader segment, residential and commercial. And within that segment also, we have products catering to each layer of that segment.
How large is the distribution network in India for SI Abloy and the various brands with respect to the distributors, dealers, your warehouses?
We have three organizations in India. One is Inox, Sabloy, and Yale. For each of these brands, we have dedicated partners, and we have a retail and distributor footprint across the whole of the country. On top of that, also we have an omni-channel approach, whereas we are also into the market with alternative channels like e-commerce. We have our own web store, and also we are operating in third-party platforms. The goal is that in the region, we should be able to cater to every nook and corner of the country with an easy availability of the product and also providing instant and a good customer support. So our network is very fairly established all over the country. And there are no specific markets where we deal directly or we deal through channel partners. We have channel partners in almost every part.
How are you making it easy and rewarding for channel partners to deal with SI Abloy's?
The first thing is to provide an elaborate range of products. I think if you look at our mechanical, electromechanical, and digital products, we have by far a very good comprehensive range of products. So for our channel partners, when they deal it with us, they don't need to look elsewhere. The second thing is also to provide a strong support in marketing branding, visibility, and also provide adequate amount of trainings to make sure that they are able to deliver value for our customers. And the third and the most important part is to be there for providing a delightful customer experience. We are committed to making our channel partners very successful in delighting their customers. And if they are able to delight their customers, it'll only make us together stronger. We have a dedicated competence management setup where we work with our channel partners, with their service installers to make sure that when a customer visits our retail shop, he gets a good overview of our offerings. He's able to choose the right product. And then when that product is installed, customer gets a good experience.
Have you made any innovations in the areas of retail and service so that a safe environment is created for customers and retailers alike?
Safety is a critical business requirement today. Having a safe environment to operate is a key differentiating factor, whether it is for a particular industry or for a particular company. We work with our retail partners to make sure that both our employees as well as our customers have a very safe environment to interact, which means that creating awareness for personal safety, particularly in view of the ravaging pandemic, that we maintain very strong norms, strong protocols, social distancing, a very hygienic behavior, a very hygienic environment in our premises. The second thing is customer experience and installation. We have also created a wide network of installers all over the country so that for installation of the products, they would be easily available, closely available, so that they can offer quick and safe service in a very short time and give a good, delightful experience to the customers, and also the confidence that when they are dealing with our people, our customers, we try to make sure that we offer a very safe environment to interact.
What initiatives are you taking towards communication and brand visibility in order to build trust amongst your customers and generate more footfalls for your
I
channel?
think for me, generating trust is about customer experience. If you're able to give a delightful customer experience, a good, satisfied customer invites another 10 satisfied customers, and gradually the brand builds up. So I think the key initiative is about delivering a strong customer experience directly and as well as through the channel partners. We are trying to make sure that all of the touch points with customers are properly managed to give a very good experience for the customer.